So I currently have 2 dogs with kennel cough. So I wanted to try some kennel cough drops, a natural supplement that may help ease the symptoms of kennel cough for my 2 dogs. So this is by Canis and Caddis. Really love their products. They have quite a few, but I love that there's no harsh chemicals in here. Really, really effective. I've tried their other things, but so the first thing I'm going to do here is you're going to give this a good shake. And then each of my dogs gets 2 droppers. Let me see if anyone will be, come here, come here. With my dog's weight, it's recommended to give them 2 droppers full. Don't want that to drop out there. And then you can either put this on their food or give it right to them. I just give it right to my dogs. I think it's easier. Plus, they share a bowl. Come here. They share a bowl, so it's easier to just, I know what the dose is when I'm giving it to them this way. Good girl. Good girl. So just a nice herbal remedy to give a try with the kennel cough. So really love these products, Canis and Caddis. I also wanted to mention what are the herbs that are in this supplement. So it is marshmallow root, mullein leaf, angelica root, licorice, ginger, calendula, elderberry, and orange peel. So a really great natural supplement. I think you'll love it.